Adobe has expanded digital creativity by dropping its biggest apps inside ChatGPT, and they're free. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Photoshop, Acrobat, and Adobe Express now live right inside ChatGPT, turning AI into a full-blown creative studio where you don't need skills, training, or even a clue how the tools work. You just tell ChatGPT what you want, and the apps quietly do the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Photoshop becomes almost magical. Just drop a photo, type make it black and white, and boom, the edited image appears with sliders so you can adjust to your heart's content. Want more? Say increase the exposure or add some effects, and ChatGPT serves up pro-level tools like halftone color, glitch, tritone, and more. You can even command it like a movie director. Just say apply this effect everywhere except her hair, and the masking happens automatically. When you're done, an Open in Photoshop button launches the file on the web like you're a designer. Adobe Express brings instant design energy. Need a holiday invite? Tell ChatGPT the vibe, pick a layout, and watch Express assemble your theme, change colors, fonts, backgrounds, all in plain English with on-screen controls to fine-tune the details. Acrobat, the world's easiest PDF editor, is a gem too. Upload your resume stack and say merge these into one PDF and it's done. Want a last-second edit? Change text right inside ChatGPT with no fuss. Adobe landing inside ChatGPT is a moment. This isn't just content generation anymore. It's real editing, real design, real workflow power, all in one place. And if this is the starting line, the future of creativity is in easy hands. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.